Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and this video is going to be all about how much does YouTube pay you for 100,000 views. So you see everybody on YouTube, they get a Lamborghini when they're 21 years old, and they're buying all these cars, houses, airplanes, private jets because of YouTube money. Well, YouTube really doesn't pay that much. I've had my channel. My channel is a car channel if you're new watching this video. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And for you subscribers, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. So my channel is on cars. We've reviewed 630 different cars on this channel. I myself have owned about 100 cars. We're sitting in my 2003 BMW E46 M3 with a 6-speed manual, one of my favorite cars I've ever owned. So actually, one of my E46 M3 videos was my second most viewed, and in some ways, well, it did. It paid more than my 100,000 view car. So I did an E4 before I bought another E46 M3 because I had one previously. I did a friend of mine had an E92 M3 and an E46 M3, and I did a comparison test of those. So now that video only got about 50, it did well. I mean, it got 52,000 views, and that paid over the lifetime of that video. And I'm thinking, I shot that at the end of 2017. I'm filming this in February of 2020. So that video is over 2 years old, maybe almost 2.5 years old by the time you see this. So this is what it's made in the lifetime. And again, it took the lifetime to get that 50,000 views. Most of those views probably came in the first year. And, YouTube promotes the videos while people are watching it. While they stop watching it, it'll get less and less views. To really get a lot of views on YouTube, it's really YouTube promoting it, not necessarily you promoting it. So how much money did that video make? So your typical YouTube video, if it only got a couple hundred views or 1,000 views, it doesn't make that much money. I mean, you can make anywhere from probably $2 to $15 on a video that makes 1,000 views. So not much. So that particular one, and length of the video has a lot to do with it, and you'll see as I'm explaining this here. So that video was 21 minutes long, and I believe got 52,000 views. And I'll link that at the very end of this video. So the last 20 seconds for the outro of the video, you'll see the link of my 100,000 view video and the 52,000 view video. And then you can watch them and kind of see the difference and probably understand the pricing. So that, for 52,000 views, got about $300, a little more than $300, 300 something, low 300s. And that's not bad. For if every video you make, and I have 630 that made $300, that would be phenomenal, right? I'd be a millionaire. But typically it doesn't work that way. You remember there's 6 million YouTube channels. I think I'm ranked number 600,000 with about 10,000 subscribers. So that's still the top 10%. So that means if you start a YouTube channel today, 9 out of 10 of you would never get to 10,000 subscribers. And there's just too many channels. So a lot of your favorite channels that you watch today, and there's not that many people in the car space compared to other space, entertainment or education. If you started a new channel today, there's millions of channels added every year. There's thousands of channels added every day. And it would be really tough to really get to that mark and get any traction with your videos just because it's a saturated market, especially in cars. So even your favorite YouTube videos, if you discovered them 2 or 3 years ago, they may have been around 10 years. It really takes 5 years from what I'm told to really get any traction on YouTube. And there's exceptions. There's people that do it right away, but they usually have some kind of exposure, or they sunk a lot of money into the channel in the beginning to get $30,000 cameras and editors and real cameramen and, doing it like a show. So even if they make more money on it, their expenses are so high. So that's what you made for 50,000 views, but it was a 21-minute video and people watched pretty long through the video. So obviously the longer the video, there's obviously going to be more ads on the videos, and you shouldn't really use ad blockers because it costs way more than that to make one of these videos. And obviously you want to keep that content free. You don't want to be Motor Trend or something where you got to pay $5 a month to watch their content, right? So in order for you have to watch your favorite YouTuber for free, you really should not skip anything with the ads and stuff, because they can at least make the money back from their videos. And most of the time when you make a video, you lose money because you think of your gas and tolls, especially in New Jersey with tolls. Gas and tolls to get to where you need to get, the mileage you put on your car, You always have to update your cameras or fix them, or GoPros, they fall off, they break, they don't work anymore, SD cards, editing software. It really costs you a lot to make each video. And then if somebody is skipping the ads, then really you're losing money in any video, and then you're going to have to go for paid content or stop doing it altogether. So now my 100,000 view video, now it actually has 122,000 views, but I went back and did the math if it only had 100. That was a short video. It was only a 3-minute video. So it probably maybe had more clicks because it was a short video. It was kind of to the point, and probably a higher people, since it was only 3 minutes, probably most people watched at least half the video, maybe 90% of the video, because it's only 3 minutes of their time instead of 20 minutes. But it paid a lot less, and again, because the video was 7 times shorter, 3 minutes as to 21. And that only paid about $160. So that video, again, is probably about the same time, about at least 2 years old. And it did well for a very long time. It was my best video ever, my most viewed video ever. But since it was a short video, it paid only about half my 50,000 view video. And I've had a bunch of videos in between, between 100 and 50,000 views. So is a YouTube channel worth it? No, not at all. I'm already 3 years into this channel, so I would lose anything I've started. Because, if I stopped producing videos, people would stop subscribing. And then, I never get that count again. Because remember, 9 out of 10 will never get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're thinking of doing a YouTube channel, you'll make more money, realistically, 9 out of 10 of you, getting a minimum wage job and use that money on cars rather than doing a YouTube channel. But I've got to driven over 600 cars. I've met a lot of interesting people. I love driving as many cars as possible. And with your help with the subscribers, I've been able to do that. So no regrets at all. But it's time consuming. I wake up every morning when it's dark to edit videos. I'm a commercial real estate broker from my full-time job, and commissions in real estate pay more than YouTube videos. So I can't do any YouTube, between the hours I'm working, from dawn to dusk, because I'm better off prospecting for real estate clients. So I either have to do, get 3 or 4 hours of sleep a night doing videos very early in the morning when it's dark out before people wake up, or very late at night when people are sleeping. So that gives you an idea of what YouTube videos pay. Now, if you said 1 million views, people always ask me, what does 1 million views pay? Well, on those 2 videos, if that 100,000 view at $160 got 10 times more views, that would be $1,600. And then obviously my longer E46 versus E92 video, if I say $300 approximately, if that went viral and got 1 million views, that would be $3,000. So it's still not a lot, because you'd probably have to spend a lot of money to make a good video that would get 1 million views. All right, so that's the gist of it. Leave your comments below what you think, and I read each and every comment and respond to it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and always leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.